Hello everybody, today I've been given the pleasure to unbox the new Raycon Everyday Noise Cancelling Earbuds. So I've recently been given this and I've been asked to make a simple review on the product, just talking about the features and talking about what comes with this beautiful product. Now just straight off the bat, the packaging is beautiful. I was also given a case, and mind you, this is one of the most affordable earbuds on the market right now, with ranging to a lot of different colors. I believe 4 colors, maybe even more. I'm not too sure off the top of my head, but they have some beautiful colors. One I can name off the top of my head is the royal blue, but they have some beautiful colors coming from the Raycon earbuds, so we're definitely gonna have to check that out. So just straight off the unboxing, we are told that it has active noise cancellation. It is of course weatherproof, IP66, and it has an awareness mode, so the noise cancellation doesn't bug you out unless you want to turn it off. We are also given the case right here. It says cover your bass, and then I'm not too sure if this is French or Spanish. I think it's either of them. But yeah, the everyday protective case coming from Raycon. So let's just open this up too, and we'll just leave it here to the side. It's already looking beautiful. And I also have brought my phone to connect it to Bluetooth to just play a simple song and see if you guys can hear anything. But immediately getting into it, we are told power up. We're going to move this out. We are given just some simple instructions, as we can see here. Raycon Everyday Earbuds, coming with a QR code, I'm guessing, on how to make everything work. And they are telling us how to connect the Bluetooth. We are also given the sound profiles, how you can adjust the bass, and you could adjust all that stuff. This is why I have definitely gotten one of these, and I will probably stick with it because they are truly fabulous. So yeah, here they're telling us hello, bonjour, and hola. So English, French, and Spanish. And inside of here, we are given its USB-C cable with, by the way, if a major point about these Raycon earbuds is that in around 10 minutes of charging it, you are given 1.5 hours worth of time that you can actually use it, which is insanity. Here it is, as you can see, USB-C right here. Very nice material as well, so it will last you. We are also given the gel tips. We are given different sizes, as we can see here. We are given 2 larges, 2 mediums, and also smalls, which is beautiful. And then that, I'm assuming that is of course away from the ones that are already included. Don't worry, I will unpackage these. But first, let's get to the actual sweet part. So here is the Raycon, coming in this beautiful lavender looking color. The earbuds are right inside of there. We are given the USB charger where you could charge them. And here they are. Very sleek, very nice looking. I will definitely check them out when I connect them to here. But here, this tells you if it's charging, if it has battery. They are even indicating left and right, which is beautiful. They also gave me a piece of their case that perfectly complements my my case. And then you are given this. I'm not even too sure what this is, but I see it's installed to the top of this, so I'm guessing it might be protection. And then they also gave me this. You can stick to this right over here, so it can hold and just look nice. Anyways, let's just connect this really quick. Boom. And then there we go, and it is a perfect fit, as you can see. Beautiful, by the way. It perfectly complements the color. You can, again, they have a lot of different color choices that you can choose out of, which is the beautiful thing about Raycon. So I will be clearing up my workspace, and I will turn on just some low audio beats, show you guys what it sounds like. And after that, we'll say our goodbyes. Thank you guys, and I'll see you in a second. All right, everybody. So as promised, I've cleared up my workspace, and I have brought the Raycons. I have also brought the extra tips that you can install very simply, by the way, by just simply taking this out, opening up your Raycon headphones, which comes and is supposed to complement the exact color that you brought. So I have got the violet, so I've gotten the violet tips. There's also royal blue, I'm pretty sure, and there's also forest green, and I'm sure there are other colors that I don't know of, but off the top of my memory, that is it. So just like that, in 3 seconds, I got a full change to my earbud and just simply do this, you can immediately hear the active noise cancellation. By the way, if you do this, it pauses and unpauses music, which is also fabulous. So anyways, let's just bring this back here and let's get to actually connecting to the Bluetooth, which I believe I already have connected and synced. Install it back here, close this up, which is really beautiful as well, telling us to discover your perfect fit. But yeah, here is to Raycon. So first thing I'm going to say is this is of course waterproof with a 32-hour battery life, which is truly phenomenal. Again, 10 minutes to get 1.5 hours worth of life, which is again amazing. Anyways, let's open this up, and just by going to settings and taking out the Raycons, you will see it say Raycon everyday earbuds right over here. When you head over to Bluetooth, doesn't matter what phone you're on, but you will just simply connect on that and it will stay connected. You will take out whatever one you would like, left or right, because again, a very major point when it comes to Raycon's earbuds is not only their affordability, but as well it's the fact that they are supposed to be everyday earbuds. They're supposed to be simple to use. They're supposed to be very exquisite and beautiful, affordable, but most of all, they want technology to be easy, and that's exactly why you should definitely copy yourself a Raycon earbud. Again, with the active noise cancellation, I can hear it right now. Anyways, I got myself some lo-fi hip-hop music, and by turning it on, it feels just, and it sounds so crisp in my ear right now. I don't know how to explain this. Of course, I can't really have you listen to the music with me, but I can assure you that everything sounds beautiful. I just have some basic lo-fi music. If I also decide to put the other one on, now I can't even hear myself because of the noise cancellation. It's truly beautiful, and as you can see, a very nice fit to your earlobe as well. Everything is beautiful for the Raycon earbuds, and the instant I place it, it starts pink and green, which is also beautiful. So I would definitely, if I were you, get the Raycon earbuds. Look for the different colors, explore. Again, waterproof, like I said, huge amount of battery life. No one is going to wear headphones for 32 hours, but hey, you may. So might as well get yourself one. Definitely highly recommend you go check out Raycon. Go explore, go check out the different colors. Like stated previously, they have a lavender looking color. I believe it's called violet. There's also the forest green, there's the royal blue, really beautiful colors, and I'm sure there's more that I don't know of, but I would highly recommend you go check out Raycon.